What if I told you that in just 30 days, I tested 3 of the most popular side hustles to see which one could actually make money online? No fake screenshots, no get-rich-quick hype, just real results, real effort, and a few late nights fueled by caffeine and hope. In this video, I'll show you how I tried. 1. Affiliate marketing. 2. Print on demand. 3. Freelancing. And by the end, you'll see which one actually made the most money, and which one made me want to throw my laptop out the window. So grab your notepad, because I learned a lot about what really works in 2025. This is Make Money Monster, where we test, tweak, and teach how to earn online, the smart way. Alright, first up, affiliate marketing. It sounds simple. You recommend products online and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. I started with Amazon Associates and ClickBank. I picked a niche, AI tools and make money online products. I made a few YouTube shorts with affiliate links in the description. I also wrote 1 blog post using ChatGPT and posted it on Medium. The goal? Build traffic fast and test how much money affiliate links could make in 30 days. If you like this so far, please subscribe for more. Here's what I learned. Affiliate marketing is all about trust and traffic. You won't get rich overnight, but if one video keeps getting views, it keeps paying you month after month. By the end of the 30 days, I made about $72.50 in commissions. Not life-changing, but proof that it works. Insert funny clip of celebrating like a millionaire for $72. But here's the magic. If I made $70 from a few videos, imagine 50 videos all doing the same thing. That's where the real money is. Next up, print on demand. If you're creative or can use Canva, this side hustle is a blast. Here's how it works. You design shirts, hoodies, or mugs with catchy quotes or graphics. When someone buys one, a company like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful prints and ships it for you. You just collect your cut. Sounds easy, right? Well, sort of. I created 10 designs using Canva and uploaded them to Redbubble and Etsy. My favorites were AI Made Me Do It, Tech Humor, Grind Now, Shine Later, Motivational, Sleep, Hustle, Repeat, the Make Money Monster Lifestyle. I promoted my designs on Pinterest and TikTok using short clips made in InVideo.ai. Results? Sales trickled in slowly. I made around $48 that month. But the key lesson? This is a long game. Pro tip: the more designs you upload, the more chances you have to go viral. One shirt can blow up overnight if it hits a trend. Add a comedic clip of a t-shirt spinning with viral text popping up. So yes, print on demand is real, but it's like planting seeds. Your income grows over time. And finally, freelancing. This one's hands-on, but it pays the fastest. I set up a Fiverr profile offering AI content creation, basically using ChatGPT to write blogs, captions, and YouTube scripts for clients. Within a week, I got my first order, a $25 blog post about the best remote jobs. Then came another one for $40, then $60. By the end of the month, I made $320. Show mock Fiverr order pop-ups and income graph climbing. Not bad, right? Here's what I learned. Freelancing works best if you pick a niche. Don't just say, I'll do anything. Say, I help YouTubers create AI-powered scripts and video ideas. People pay for specialists, not generalists. And with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and InVideo, you can deliver professional work in half the time. So after 30 days, here's how it all stacked up. Affiliate marketing, $72.50. Print on demand, $48 freelancing, $320 total, to $440.50 in 30 days. Not bad for starting from zero. But here's the real takeaway. If you treat each of these like a real business, the potential is massive. Affiliate links can pay you while you sleep. Print on demand can go viral overnight. Freelancing can give you instant cash flow. The key is not to try everything at once. Pick one, master it, and scale. That's how online income becomes freedom income. Hit that subscribe button for more, and don't forget the description area of this video for any help we may provide. So, Which side hustle would you try first? If you want something fast, start freelancing. If you want passive income, go affiliate marketing. If you love creativity, design your own products. I'll be diving deeper into each of these in future videos. So make sure to subscribe, drop a money monster in the comments, and tell me what you'd like me to test next. Remember, the biggest monster isn't the hustle itself, it's in action. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the Lord always bless you.